Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you here again. This is an unboxing of a tripod that I am actually using right now, but I bought this for my nephew for Christmas, so I probably won't post this until after Christmas because he does watch my channel. By the way, he has a YouTube channel too. If you want to check out Joel's Fishing Life here on YouTube, I would look him up. He has some pretty good content. He hasn't made a lot yet, but he's hoping to, come on, get into this YouTube thing. So I really encourage you to check out his channel. I'll link it down in the description. There we go. And this is a Christmas gift for him, so I'm probably going to post this after Christmas. But this is a tripod that I use. It's what I'm actually using right now. And I've really been happy with it. It's not the most expensive, nor is it like the cheapest out there. Oh, come on. I hate these tab things. There we go. Just got to get on top of it and give it some force. Okie doke, let's see. So, oh, I guess I didn't have to open both those. Dummy. Could have done it that way. Nothing else in there. All right. Get rid of that. Looks very familiar. Yeah, like I said, this is the one that I'm using. Documents, who cares? Do you pay attention to those? I don't. Here is the phone mount, which is nice. This tripod does come with a phone mount. I got this on Black Friday on sale for 30 bucks. So, can't argue with that. I'm going to try to, and this is like a little Bluetooth remote. I don't ever use it because I'm worried that it might not work, and I wouldn't know it not being able to hear my phone because I have a microphone adapter plugged in, but it's there if someone would like to use it. Here is the phone clip. It's very plasticky, but it does work. I've been using it for over a year, and I've not had any issues with it. So yeah, got it on sale for 30 bucks. For that price, it's a great tripod. It's very heavy, and it has some substance to it. It's not like one of those real expensive ones, but it works. And I'm gonna hopefully take this out so that it can be, okay, yeah, it can be put back in easily. Because I still gotta wrap this. It's November 29th right now, but there's a tripod. Tripodception. Because, yep, it's the one I'm using right now. But that's this tripod. I can't remember the brand name. It's probably from China. Maybe not, but it works. And it's been really reliable one for me. So I thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.